AI can build your workouts in seconds, but can it build your body? People are replacing coaches with apps. So I asked AI to create 30-day workout plan and I compared it with how I coach my clients. Hi, this is Kamal, a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. I help busy professionals and entrepreneurs transform their bodies and build strength. If you are ready to start your transformation, contact me or download my app KFitHub on iOS or Android. Today we are comparing digital coach AI and human coach, the real expertise. Free is attractive, but in fitness, cheap mistakes cost you time and health. AI is fast. In seconds, it can generate full workout plan, thousands of exercises, combinations, splits. Great for beginners, but here is the truth. Speed doesn't equal results. Here the other side of AI. It doesn't see your fatigue, your stress, and it doesn't know you slept for 4 hours or 8 hours. And it doesn't see your energy is low or high. So AI gives you a plan, but coach can make decisions. Body recomposition is not generic, it's precise. AI usually gives same reps, same sets, same structure, but your body is not average. A 25-year-old guy and 50-year-old guy should not train the same way. Recovery is different, hormones are different, injury risk is different. So generic plan gives you a generic results. This is where the future is heading, not AI versus human, AI with human coaching. Using data from the apps, but decisions from the experience. So, can AI replace a coach? Definitely not. AI is a tool, but a coach is a system. Strategy, adjustments, accountability. Use AI for ideas, but if you want a real transformation, you need guidance, not guesses. Have you ever tried an AI workout plan? Did it actually work? Or did you quit halfway? Comment below. And if you want a custom plan built for your body, lifestyle and goals, then comment below custom.